Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Amazon account. Whether you're using a shared computer or simply want to secure your account after shopping, knowing how to properly sign out is essential for protecting your personal information and purchase history. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account. This will bring you to the Amazon homepage where you can browse products, check orders, and access all your account features. Now, let's say you're done browsing or shopping on Amazon and you want to log out. Here's what you need to do. Move your mouse cursor over to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Simply hover your mouse over this option without clicking, and a drop-down menu will appear with various account-related choices. From this drop-down menu, look for the option that says Sign Out and click on it. This action will immediately log you out of your Amazon account and redirect you to the main Amazon page. You'll notice that you're no longer signed in, and the Account and Lists button will now show Sign In instead, confirming that you've successfully logged out. This simple process ensures that no one else using the same device can access your account, view your order history, or make purchases using your saved payment methods. It's particularly important to log out if you're using a public computer, a work device, or any shared family computer. And that's all there is to it. You've logged out of your Amazon account safely and securely. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.